Testing out my new FLIP video camera. So my baby boy sleeping. So precious. So precious. Oh, my baby. Go see what Shayna's doing. What do you do, Mama? His video camera. You playing ponies? Let's see all your pony stuff you got. You got a pony house? Are you posing for the camera?
Yeah.
It's not going to take a picture, sweetheart. It's filming you.
She could help tie you with a ribbon. Okay, everybody. Who wants to play some games? I have plenty of ribbons you can win. I do. Don't you want to play
You're so
with the others,
silly.
Caillou?
Did it take a picture yet?
No, it's not going to take a picture. It's filming you.
Caillou? In this race, everyone has to walk heel to toe, like this. 1 foot right in front of the other, all the way to the white.
There you go. Make funny
Is
faces.
everyone ready? On your mark, get set, go!
Go see what Sarah's doing now. See our beautiful Christmas tree.
So that's what happened. Do you think it could be a mistake?
The whole city deemed naughty at once.
I've never seen anything like it.
Huh? Oh, hey, kid. This
Oh,
isn't
Christmas
your
tree,
house.
oh, Christmas tree.
Are you kidding me?
How fake can you be?
Ah, yes, Candace.
You know who I am?
No, that's not a good thing.
They're here trying to figure out
Sarah?
what was bad as mine. Well, maybe everyone did something
And her room is actually clean for once. You can see her floor. Oh, her bed's even made, kind of. I think there's stuff hiding under her blankets. No, you're right. Coughing? You're sick. Huh? Liar. She wants to go out and play, so she thinks she's not sick, but we're all sick. So she's faking it. She's a faker.
Boy, this guy is good. Let me crank it up some more.